Hello guys, welcome back. This is your boy Jonathan. Today I'm back for another video. I'm gonna talk about Apple, where Apple is going, what's the prediction for Apple for this week. Okay, so it's very important. All right, so before we get started, let's go to Thinkorswim. Remember, I use Thinkorswim to execute my trades, and I use Webull to look at the chart because the Webull chart looks better in my point of view. So that's the reason why I use Thinkorswim to execute my trades, and I use Webull to look at the chart. The technical analysis is done on Webull, and the execution is done on Thinkorswim. Okay, so today I've made over $163 for the day. Okay, from Google Class C, GOOG. Okay, so on the 27th of this month, Google is gonna release its earnings. Okay, I'm very excited for it. Okay, so let's go back to Webull because I'm gonna analyze the Apple stock. Okay, all right. Okay, so Apple opened today from $146 to 144. Okay, so Apple spent the whole day going down, which is not a good sign. Okay, remember the last time what I said. Okay, right now I'm gonna switch from candle to line or area. Okay, so that's what I like the most. Okay, so let's go over the 5 days chart. Okay, so we can see that over the last 5 days Apple is consolidating. Okay, we saw Apple went down a little bit and then went up, and then now it's still consolidating. Okay, so what we're looking for a little bit of a head up over here. Okay, okay, so let me draw a little bit so that I can show you what I'm telling you. Okay, so in order for Apple to show a good sign right now, it needs to give up a little heads up right there. Okay, so that's what I'm looking for. Okay, and I think that's what everybody's looking for. All right, so now let's go over the 1 year chart. Okay, so the 1 year chart shows that Apple is still, it's not consolidating. If we say that Apple is consolidating, it's consolidating in an upper side, upper position. You see, like, okay, let me do the drawing for you, the polyline. Okay, you see, every time it goes up, it goes higher. Okay, so right now Apple is taking a downturn right now. Okay, we're not sure. I'm not sure. This is my opinion. This is my opinion. Remember, I'm not sure if it's gonna take it all the way down, just like it did the previous time. In the previous time. Okay, so it might ended up at 137 for this week, or it might ended up at 140. Okay, 130, 130, 138, 137, or maybe 140. We don't know. So that's the reason why I'm waiting to see where it's going. Okay, guys, this video I'm making it for you because I don't really trade Apple right now. I mostly focus on Google, Microsoft. Okay, so this video is all for you guys. The technical analysis, everything, the prediction is all for you guys. Okay, because I know over 200 something or 200 something subscribers I have. So I'm making this video for you guys because I see you guys love Apple videos. Okay, so I'm making it for you guys. Okay, so if I were somebody who was gonna trade Apple tomorrow or for this week, I would wait a little bit. Why? Because it's taking a downturn. You don't know where it's gonna end up. Okay, so what you should do is that you wait for it. Okay, if it sits below here, you're gonna wait for a reversal. Okay, a reversal that might be like that. Okay, all right, or you might wait for another reversal that might look like this. Okay, all right, which would give you a higher high. Remember, all of the tech stocks, they'll due for earnings this month. Okay, so Apple is definitely gonna give a higher high. Definitely, I think so, because Apple has been consolidating for a long time, since last year. So it's due for a higher high. Okay, but now, if you're doing day trading, swing trading, it's very important to wait for the downturn to see where it's heading, because you don't want to just get in the trade and lose money unless you're investing, okay, long term. Then you don't care, because either way it's gonna go up, right? But if you're doing day trading, swing trading, then it's very important to wait for the buy signal, right? Because when you're doing day trading and swing trading, you need a perfect entry, not a crappy entry. You need a perfect entry. Okay, all right. So you need to focus and wait for the reverse, the downturn first, and then the reversal. Okay, so I think I think that's it for today, guys. And Apple definitely is gonna give another high. Okay, a higher high over $150. Definitely, I'm sure of that. 90%. Remember, still my opinion, but I'm sure 90% that it's gonna give a higher high before summer ends. Okay, that's purely based on my opinion, but I believe 90% that it's gonna do it. Okay, so guys, that's it for today. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, go ahead and subscribe, and don't forget to leave a comment below if you want to. Thank you. Bye bye. Ciao.